kitchen. Way. Poor dog, so he's getting bullied. Nut muncher, I love you. Yeah. What a legend. The Garfield. I know, I saw those bright ass cosmetics and I did not care. I only care for the man himself, the fat legend. More fave on me, great man. I love yous. You put both skins, nice. I don't like either of them, but if you like them, you like them. Come here. Oh, bye-bye. Come here, you bastard. Oh! Go over there. Hello, nut muncher. I'm sorry. There only can be one Garfat! Square up! What's too good, baby? Oh, he's back, he's mad. I pissed him off. No! Oh, beast man, we got a place. Oh, my teammates touched that child. Wall. Chris can't afford it. That is. That's hilarious. The hair special. Nice. Come on, throw him off. Throw him off. You got this. Change the title right here. Nope. Arab special. And Walrus is knocked out. Does he die though? Somehow this man is immortal? Okay, never mind. Bad. Holy shit. Nice bomb. Wake up, Garfat! Can't die this early, dude. How did you not die? What? Griffin. Throw a bomb right here. Hello, Walrus. Great bomb. Alright. This cat ain't prepared.
I think it was the deciding factor. Oh, kill both of them. I am a 10 out of 10 era, folks. Hey, stop that. Kill me like 3 times, kill you too. You just killed both of us. You are killing both of us. Put me down. You're a moron. Is that their strat? Did they just suicide on me and Giraffe? Giraffe. Where is it? Yeah, that's exactly what they did. Wow. He's gonna suicide bomb me again, isn't he? Yep. Lollipop, no. Okay. You know, you're my little protector. You got this. Come on. Nope. Not crack. If you suicide bomb, fuck off. No. 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 Where you go? What? Am I the main character? No, definitely not. Yeah, definitely not. Nice drop kick. Hey, watch this. Visual center. Oh, right there. And I hit him directly at that top. What? I get knocked out. That's bullshit. Watch this. 3-pointer. Nice throw over to the left. I didn't think about that. Not much you're getting sound. The K-Beast win. Nope, the morph. Let's go. Okay, spinach. Okay, got it. Well. I got him for us. Just fight back. That's a 500-pound mammal charging at a giraffe. Not giraffe, a zebra, you retard. God. What a great flip, babe. Fuck, I just ate an Honors kit. Please get up, please get up, please! Honor, what are you doing? You can just stop it! Stop it! You are a bum. Is he in console? He is. Hey. Let's go, baby. Garfa in the floor. You fucker. Come on. Wait. Wow, you're